Stress. What is the meaning of stress? Stress means to give a particular emphasis or importance to a part in a word. For example, in any English word with two or more syllables, only one syllable has a stronger stress more than the others. The stress is always on a vowel sound. What is the meaning of a syllable? It is a unit of pronunciation having only one sound. For example, there are two syllables in the word water, while there are three in informal. Two-syllable words. Most two-syllable nouns, adjectives, adverbs, and proper names in English have a stronger stress on the first syllable. And most two-syllable verbs have the stress on the second syllable. Example: the actor Marlon Brando performed in many classic Hollywood movies. There are some words that are both nouns and verbs. We can differentiate between them according to the stressed syllable. If the stress is in the first syllable, so it's noun. And if the stress is in the second syllable, so it is verb. Some of these words are object, object, record, record, refuse, refuse, contest, contest, conflict, conflict, progress, progress, research, research. Multiple syllable words. Most of the nouns that end with ate, fee, in, see, t, g, and most of the verbs that end with ate, is, iffy, and most of the adjectives that end with ate, al, ius, us, bell. Then the stress is on the third to last syllable. For example, doctorate, philosophy, Canadian, efficiency, rapidity, apology, congratulate, legitimize, practical, identify, serious, accurate, continuous, portable. And most nouns ending in shin, ian, and most adjectives ending in ik, us, then the stress is on the next to last syllable. For example, magician, technician, confusion, information, terrific, enthusiastic, courageous. And most words ending in ear, e, air, que, is, then the stress is on the last syllable. For example, volunteer, refugee, questionnaire, status quo, Japanese.